Hi, I'm Mark Clow and welcome to the Photographer Academy, and today we're concentrating on boudoir and kind of feet and leg positions if we're really limited in our kind of variety. We've got an amazing model with us today, a more mature model, Olivia, phenomenal, okay, and she's going to show you how fit she is with some of the kind of the feet and the leg positions that she's got. Anyway, what are we doing? We're looking specifically, as you can see on the floor here, we've just put a simple net background up in front of the daylight window, and what you're going to see is simple instruction to Olivia so we can kind of basically have a bit of a leg and a foot flow. This will really allow us to kind of maximize our boudoir variety, especially if we're at the beginning of our kind of boudoir careers, where at times we can go a little bit of kind of brain dead. Plus, it can also allow us to really mature our flow posing as you work from one thing to another. I've chosen the hard wooden floor, and I did apologize to Olivia before we got going, but hey ho, you know, it's basically a part of the shoot. If we're down there doing the shots, and there's lots of variety of photographs that we could do actually on the floor, but what I've done is just concentrate for you just on the feet, because I like these kind of small, simple films for you so you can kind of digest these kind of bite-sized ones at a time. Anyway, enjoy the film. It's all about leg posing, foot positioning, and variety in boudoir photography. Okay, Olivia, just bring first of all the right heel back a touch more. Right heel, the other one. Left heel forward more, onto the floor. That's Olivia, it's there, let's do it. Okay, it's good. Now let's bring the left heel back so it's flat on the floor, and let's put the right leg out straight, that's it. Can you raise it off the ground now? Okay, swap feet so the right foot is flat, and that's it. But bend the knee now for me, there you go. Drop the heel down more, there you go, keep it. Keep it, and relax. Okay, let's just do the 2 feet together as they are. It's perfect. Keep it. Right, let's do the arch back, please. So bring the heels back. There you go. Well, behave. And again, relax. Let's bring the heels back to the bum more. That's it. Let's do it. Keep it. Bum up now fully. Go, go, go. And relax. Right, let's just turn so your head is to me, feet are towards the window, please. And let's do the leg up position. So let's go cross leg. That's lovely. Stretch the head back to me, even though it's not a part of the shot. Stretch the hands back to me. And that would usually be done in the vertical. Hang on, this there. Relax. Let's drop the feet down flat, open up the knees fully, and get the feet out to the side. Let's bring the hands down to the crotch and put them together. That's it, keep it. Grab the heels. That's it, let's do it. Push the butt up. Relax. Okay, let's flip onto the belly, please, if we can. Feet that end, head that end for me. Go back that way. There you go. Okay, that's it. She's done it already. So separate the heels. That's good. Butt up now fully. Bring the knees up to you more. Can you? There you go. Bring them more. And boobs to the floor, please. Still need the butt up. Feet up as well, please, darling. Separate them. Keep it. Boobs to the floor if you can. Relax. It's good. Let's just lay on the belly again and just do the bunny rabbit ears. So just let them flick, that's it, keep it. Again. Turn the head up towards me again, please. So if you move up to me again, that's it. Stretch the hands out, bury the head, and just the feet up and bunny rabbit ears. That's it, one more. Great. Let's turn around again. So you're going to crouch me. So you're actually going to be stood up, but you're going to kneel, not kneel. You're going to. Do you know what? Let's actually. It wasn't planned, but let's do the stance. Let's do the cat stance. So let's do the closed cat first. So it's the right knee forward towards you. Can you go horizontal for me? There you go. That's it. Right knee forward. That's it. Let's do it. Can you move back towards the cupboard more? That's it. Keep it. Looking down, bury the head. Keep it. Feet up. Keep it. Swap knees. Open cat, that's it. Bury the head. Boobs to the floor. Keep it. Great. Let's squat for me. So if you can go up onto your feet. Turn your back to me, please, if you could. Fully. Turn, turn, turn. And just go into the squat. So literally, that's lovely. Hands out onto the legs. Out onto the knees for me. Good. Drop a knee down. A knee down and let the other leg go out to the side then. That's it. Cool. Look away. Can you turn your back to me again? And open, drop the knees down to the floor, both of them. That's it. Keep there. Separate the feet a little bit more. That's it. Keep it. Great. Relax. Nice shots. Thank you very much.